Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Joe McCormick, and with me I have the one and only Vegan Vicky. Today is an exciting day for us. We're starting our 6-week challenge, our boot camp challenge. We're on week 1, day 1 of this challenge, and this is designed for people that are just starting to work out. It's gonna start off at beginner, go to intermediate, and then hit advanced. So we hope you guys enjoy this workout. Today we got a little bit of chest, we got some triceps, abs, and then we're gonna wrap it up with a little bit of cardio. Please hit the subscribe button because we're gonna be posting these videos weekly. That way you can follow along through the next 6 weeks. It's only 6 weeks designed to help you get back in shape. Vicky and I are master trainers. We've been doing this for over 10 years, helping people lose weight, build muscle, and ultimately get in the best shape of your life. So please, if you like it, hit the subscribe. We also have a link to our website, so if you're looking for a little bit more one-on-one custom training, we customize your food intake, your resistance, your cardiovascular training, and your food supplementation. So those of you that are looking for a more customized program, we do offer online training as well. So stay tuned, hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna get started with our first warm-up, which is box jumps, and we'll see you guys out on the workout floor. Thank you. Okay guys, exercise number 1 is for our warm-up. We're gonna do 4 sets of 45 seconds of this. So we're gonna do box jumping jacks, bending the knees slightly, and all the way up, warming up those shoulders.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3. Come on, 2 seconds. 4 and 45. Relax.
Okay guys, exercise number 2, we got bent over rows. This is gonna work the back here. What we wanna do is slightly bend the knees. You're gonna come back, squeeze the back. We're gonna do 45 seconds for 3 sets here. Squeeze, working that back.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Come on, 2 seconds. 44 and 45. Relax.
Okay guys, exercise number 3, we're gonna get 3 sets for 45 seconds. This is called dumbbell chest press on a ball. So all we're gonna do, this is gonna work the chest. We're gonna roll back, keep the butt up, and then we're just gonna come up and bring the weights together. Make sure that butt stays up high. So ready and begin. We got 45 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Come on, 2 seconds. 44 and 45. Relax.
Exercise number 4 is for the back of the arms, the triceps, 3 muscles in the triceps. We're gonna do what they call dips on a bench, or you can use an exercise box, but we're gonna come forward, knees at a 90-degree angle. We're gonna come down, keeping the back close to the pad, and then up, down, up. We're gonna get 45 seconds, and we're gonna do 3 sets of these. Here we go, ready? And go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Come on, 2 seconds. 44 and 45. Relax.
That really
All right, guys, exercise number 5 is again for the back of the arms, the triceps. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come forward, same position as those bent over rows. We're gonna kick back with the dumbbells, all the way back, flexing the triceps in the back. We're gonna do 3 sets of 30 seconds for this exercise. Ready? And here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kicking back, come on. 12. All the way back, Vicky. 13, 14, 15. Get him back. 16, 17. Flex those triceps. 18, 19, 20. Lean forward. Come on. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7. Come on. 2 more. 28, 2 more. 29, and relax. Excellent job.
that was good.
Hey guys, exercise number 6 is for the abs. They're called V-ups. There's 2 different ways that we're gonna do this. First one is you're gonna come all the way up and keeping the legs straight. This is intermediate to advanced here. All the way up, touching the toes. Notice how I get up on my back here. Second option is if you're beginning, you're just gonna crunch up right here. Kick the legs out and just do a crunch. If you can't do that, just crunch here. Okay, so these are called full V-up, full body V-ups. We're gonna do 3 sets, 30 seconds. Ready? Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on, tighten those abs. 12, let's go, Vicky. Come on, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Work those abs. 18, crunch. 19, 20, crunch all the way. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Come on, 4 seconds. 7, 28, 2 more. 29, and relax. Excellent job.
Okay, exercise number 7, another ab exercise. These are called flutter kicks. Hands slightly under the butt, and we're just gonna keep those toes pointed straight, 6 inches off the ground, back and forth, just like this. We're gonna do 3 sets of 45 seconds for this exercise. And here we go, ready, and begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Come on, 2 seconds. 44 and 45. Relax.
How'd that feel?
Good. It burns. I think it's working.
Okay guys, exercise number 8, we're gonna do what they call scissors. It's another ab exercise. Same position as the flutter kicks. All we're gonna do 6 inches off the ground. We're gonna crisscross the legs here. Working the abs, tighten the abs. We're gonna do 45 seconds and we're gonna do 3 sets of these. And here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43. Come on, 2 seconds. 44 and 45. Relax.
Okay guys, exercise number 10, we got the bench press. So just using a straight bar. If you don't have a bench, you can do it on the ground with a normal straight bar. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back and we're gonna do 45 seconds for 3 sets. If you can't do 45 seconds, start off with 30 seconds. Grab the bar, shoulder width apart. We're gonna come down and then up, down, up. Squeeze at the top, working the chest. I'm gonna do 45 seconds for 3 sets. Here we go, ready? And okay guys, exercise number 11 is for the top part of our chest. This is called incline dumbbell press. We're gonna bring the weights up here. All you're gonna do is push straight above your head and down. We're just at an incline angle, squeezing the top of our chest. We're gonna again do 3 sets for 45 seconds for this. So ladies, you can start off at 5 10-pound dumbbells. Guys, you're gonna start off probably between 15 and 30, but whatever you can do for 45 seconds. We're gonna get started. Here we go. Ready? And begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Good job, Vicky. 20. Squeeze the chest now. 21, 22, 23, 24. 5, bring those weights together, 26, 27, 28, squeeze, 29, 30, come on, 31, 32, 33, push it, 34, 35, 36, work that chest, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45, relax, excellent job.
Okay guys, we're wrapping up with our cardiovascular for today. Our very last exercise, we're gonna do 20 minutes on the treadmill. Our stair steppers are taken here at the gym, so we gotta finish up with something that's available. So we're gonna do a light jog at about speed 4 to 5 for 20 minutes. If you can't continue, jump off to the side, rest for 30 seconds, then jump back on, and then finish up. Cardio burns fat the fastest, so you're gonna burn the most amount of calories in the least amount of time. Okay guys, that concludes our workout for today. I hope you guys enjoyed our very first series of our 6-week boot camp challenge. Please hit the subscribe button and continue following us below. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, hit our link to our website below, and we're more than happy to customize a workout program for you guys as well. And we look forward to seeing you on our next workout, which is going to be lower body. It's going to be quads and glutes. So stay tuned for our next video, and thank you guys for watching.